Okay, so what we got going on here?
Now we've got the onions underneath the meat.
Yeah, huh?
And leave that for a minute or two.
Ain't gonna season that meat?
But I have to wash my hands after digging it.
Is there any reason why you wouldn't season the meat before, like most people do?
Liberal.
While it's cooking?
Yeah, it's got the onions in the bottom.
Yeah.
So whatever's not on the meat is into the onions, and the onions will just absorb it.
What's that?
Pepper.
How much?
2 teaspoons.
What's this?
Mild chili.
Chili? That's too much chili, man! You got... Okay, we've got the pasta water going on, yeah?